Oh, hell yeah, baby. People gonna recognize it right here by the train. Son, it's coming. So it's a train. All that shit coming up. That shit. Yeah. I'm like stupid as fuck. Actually, I'm gonna get faded as fuck. People gonna recognize me and shit. You know, for throwing. What up, fellas? That's right. Yeah. Reaction. You know, my fellas like, I'm gone. There it goes. Up it goes. Little guys are dipping. That's off the pan. Well, yeah. Oh, I gotta like a fool. It's a gangster thing. You know what I mean? So, what I do, man? Shoot. I'm gonna go back to the crib. I found my cross over there. Oh, shit. Bounced. All right, now it's shit. I don't need one no more. I'm in giant comes around and shit.